Has not come here before.
I came to office.
No, they've come.
Office 3 times.
Came office, but we didn't come to fourth floor, right?
Floor.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the me office.
Yeah, I came before.
You've all come before. The floor you haven't come.
Yes.
This is.
Show me back.
Okay,
That's the floor. No, but
Cranky.
suppose to take
yeah, they are your friends.
Yasin, come with me. Sir, come. Yasin, keep taking photos. I can't get the chance to.
Okay, this is the. These are all your work that he's got. That's his cabin. You can just see the quick feet because there's an interview going on right now. So I can't take you guys inside.
Sorry. Yasin, come front. Let's go. Come front, Yasin. Products.
Can you guys hear me? No, right?
No, right. Definitely.
This is where, and this is Sunny.
Hello.
So most of the ecosystem discussions and all of that, all of this stuff happens here in this bay. And yeah, that's where Rohit sits, by the way.
Rohit.
You know who Rohit is? There. There he is.
Hello.
I told Rohit, that's where Rohit sits and nobody's saying anything. Right? Okay, so all the pages, basically whenever you guys go online to shop your phones, all accessories, all of that, me.com stuff is all here. This is the me.com thing. That's Surakya. She basically has me.com. That's Romit. Ankur. Okay. So this side. Now you might have seen all the launches that happened, right?
Yes.
That happens in Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, and all of that. So this is where the events team sit. That's Rachel. And that's Maxima and Pallab.
पल्लव को फोन करो तो फोन लगा नहीं है, वैसे रख के बैठे।
Okay, this is where Anuj sits. This is Anuj seats.
Marketing.
Yeah, most of the time actually, that's where he's gone. And this is where the digital screen is. So all the banners that you see on different platforms where you say, oh, Redmi 8 is here, Redmi Note 7 is here, is a digital thing. Cool? Okay. Now I'll take you to the other side. Okay, I'll tell you from here. So that corner there, yeah, that's the design team. So all the designs that you see that's coming up on the pages, different hoardings and all of that, all the design happens right there. Cool? Okay, now let's head on to the other side. Okay, before we go that side, let me introduce my team. But nobody's here. That's okay, so this way that you see here is product listing. So all the discussion relates to the phone, what goes inside, what needs to be put in, what actually happens, which phone when, all of this stuff. All this stuff happens here. That's Akul. Vinita, she handles basically the ecosystem. So the last launch, I think you might have seen. So this is the product launch. And right behind you guys here, this whole bay is the social media bay. So all that tweets that you see, all the social media posts, all of that is done by this man standing here.
I don't do anything. I'm the Irfan here.
So, hi guys, he leads
Hello.
social media. Cool. So I'll take you to the other side. Okay, come this way.
What is this? Not that. Black label. Poverty, ma. Teamwork.
You want trade, we expecting what payment for which category?
So yeah, so there's a meeting room also up in that side.
That's the family.
This is basically the Me Home section. So most of the discussions for Me Homes and all of that happens basically out here. This is the offline section. So you might have seen all the phones that go to the shop, all the details. Retail units, all of that basically discussion happens from this side. So this is where all the retail, offline guys sit. And this side is the Me Home guys. Cool. Let's head down now. Also with finance and legal. Do you guys know who Mono is?
Oh.
Do you know who Mono is?
Yes.
Mono is a great guy from the TV team.
And I think everyone know, like,
Yeah. IT.
This doesn't have a name, so if you guys want us to give one name, then please make sure.
Sudeep's name, right?
it's 20%, right?
Right or left?
So the third floor is mostly, we have finance team, we have logistics, we have legal. So I'll take you around and show you everything.
What the legal team do?
Oh, you're going to flash now. So, okay, So when you go to me.com and you order all your phones and all of that, right? So
Okay.
there's a lot of back-end process that keeps happening. Like, which phone have you ordered? According to the variant, we need to pick the right phone, send it out to the right address, and a lot of things like that. So most of your offline stuff related to your warehouse, your packaging, delivery part, all of that happens in this way here. So these guys are responsible for all your orders in terms of packing, taking the right stock, sending it out to you on time, because most of the time when you use an F code, you get your product the next day itself. So prioritizing things in according to that, all of that is taken care in this bay here. Cool.
Logistics.
Oh,
Process center.
so okay, yeah. So this is called Desh Ka Smartphone. So if you see, all our meeting rooms are like, it's got everything related to our
Hashtags.
products or things like that. So
Basically, any story that has been, or some
related to Xiaomi. Actually.
Yeah.
Cool. I'll take you this side. Okay, guys, come front. Stand this side.
I hope you guys remember that koi debate nahi thing.
Cool debate.
Okay, so how many of you guys here? Okay, how many of you guys here actually want a job in Xiaomi? Let's see.
Trying many times.
Okay, so you know who's responsible for that?
HR
Chaitra.
team.
So that's Chaitra. She's from the HR. So anybody who wants a job in Xiaomi, actually reach out to Chaitra. She can help you with it. Okay, just kidding. Okay. So this is where the HR sits. This whole bay.
So it's totally effective.
And right at the corner there, you have Murli sitting. He's our CFO. Cool. Okay, I'll take you to the other side.
Still is it?
That is also a part of the logistics team.
Okay.
Yeah, that's also a part. So that side, this side is all logistics team. Cool. All right. And you need to meet Bhavesh. He's also and Arun. Bhavesh and Arun. So these guys are like the leads of HR. If you guys need a job, please reach out to them. So these are the guys. You got the names right? Cool. All right. Hope to see you guys soon.
Yeah. They don't. Sorry. Why one of them? Try you.
Yeah, I took
So what is this thing? Why this service? Sorry. Sorry?
There's a whole bunch of tests that basically happens in the in the quality center. A phone goes under a lot of tests, like how many times you can put in the headphone jack on the screen, durability, and all of those things. The whole bunch of process that goes inside so that you get the right product without any fault or all those things, right? The whole of these process is basically head by Ram, right here.
Head of quality.
So he leads quality for Xiaomi, and he's the one who's in charge of making sure all the devices that reach out to you are perfect without any errors. Cool. Thank you. Oh yeah, the Redmi 8A video. I think you guys must have seen it.
Yeah.
That's me.
Okay, we don't need to go down, right? Second is. There are more than 800 employees in this office at right now. So what happens is if we get a Mi laptop, there are a bunch of people using the Mi laptop, but the issue is that if we get 800 plus laptops, what happens is in case there's a service issue, or for example, if your keys pop out, your service is a big issue, right? So that's one major reason why we don't actually have the Xiaomi laptops.
Better you get those and try out of yourself, right?
No, there are testing that happens. There are testing that happens before, like I told you, before any product is launched, there is a bunch of testing that goes out, right? So that obviously happens, but then by the time when we are planning to launch it or whatever, I think by then we should be getting it. Hopefully, let's see.
I'm waiting for that.
You can check it out in the Mi Home. There are a few laptops there.
Yeah. I need for my own purpose, right?
So you can actually get it from China right, when somebody's coming to buy.
Customs will be-
But still, again, the issue is going to be service.
Customs also.
Right. So if you see, so these are the whole flows that I've taken you across. So if you look at it, if you go to other offices, basically they have these cabins for each person to work. Communicating with other people gets a little difficult. Here it's so, very open. Even if somebody needs to walk up to Manu and talk to him, he's always open to it. If he's not busy and all of that. So everybody is like in a very friendly sort of culture. It's very open here, and access to maybe any level of position they are in, anybody has access to them. So that's the kind of way how it works in this office. I think you guys must have seen it how it is, right? So because Manu talks to everybody, Anuj goes and talks to everybody. So it's kind of fun sort of an atmosphere. So here, I can't take you inside here, but some of the testing labs, basically we have like some of the phone testing, ecosystem testing and all of that. So recently we launched the water purifier, right? So most of the testing of the water purifier, some of the headphones that you must have seen and all of that testing basically happens inside here. I don't have permission to take you inside because there are a lot of things that keeps going on there, so I can't take you there. So this is your training room. So last time I think you guys must have come here. Yeah, here. Cool. So I'll take you down to the Mi Home, so you can experience the phone there, and then probably come up and then you'll have that. Okay. Lift से?
हाँ यहाँ से नहीं जाएंगे.
So then they'll have to wait for some time. We'll put them in the service. No, but the problem is now both will clash together. You want to okay, you ask. Guys, hang on. Just be there only 1 second. Just be there only.
It's quite, it's something like eco-friendly.
Did you guys notice anything specific? Or did you
Where are they now?
remember maybe after leaving the space?
You are on 4th floor. I'm taking these
Posters,
people
the
to
large ones.
especially the Thor one. Do one thing.
Adds to the space of the office, in fact.
Everyone at Mi Home will get crowded, no? No, that you have to take access to. You can take, no, how do you go down there?
नहीं वहाँ से हाँ नीचे से जा सकते हैं.
Okay, this is going up. Wait, that's here. Take few people can take this elevator. It's already here.
No, we can walk.
No, we'll use spare.
We can walk.
Okay, come.
Come like. Say hi to Raghu sir by the way.
Hello.
Thank you so much for coming for the launch.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Hello.
Tags.
After giving the medical.
Ashin, come this side.